Hi guys! What's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. Meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Nagluto tayo ng laswang gulay at meron pa tayong avocado smoothie. I-prepare natin ang ating mga ingredients. Hugasan natin ng maiging ating mga fresh gulay at yung ating fish. Magpapainit tayo ng mantika at iprito natin ang ating fish. Then, after natin maprito, ay isit aside lang muna natin ito. Magpapakulo tayo ng water. Magandang maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis at konting pawang. Meron pa itong slice of green chili para medyo maanghang and lemongrass. Unahan natin nilagay ang ating yung ating kalapasa, medyo matigas siya, at yung bunga ng malunggay. Naganda ng salt and pepper to taste at chicken cubes. Napakasarap talaga nito guys. Nilagay ko na rin ang ating nasit aside na pritong fish para manood na talaga ang lasa nito. Isinabay na natin ang ating fresh eggplant, may ampalaya pa tayo at fresh okra. And pag naluto na ay maglalagay pa tayo ng ating fresh saluyot. Antayin lang nating maluto ang ating mga fresh gulay. Luto na ito guys, mag-ready tayo ng ating lagayan at napakasarap talaga ang ating pagkain. So yung ating ulam at so healthy pa ito. Gagawa tayo ng ating cold drinks. Meron tayong avocado smoothie with assorted nuts. Meron pa itong dates or tamer. At nagad pa tayo ng ating oat milk. Oat milk is good to our heart. Meron pa itong powdered milk for assorted nuts, cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almonds. I-blend lang natin ito guys. Meron tayong napakasarap and so healthy avocado smoothie with assorted nuts. At meron pa itong dates. Gawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea combined with green tea. Nagpakulo lang tayo ng water. Meron itong sibuyas, konting loya, bawang, 5 pirasong cloves, ground pepper. At naglagay pa tayo ng ating mint leaf and turmeric powder. Healthy hot drinks. Kain tayo guys at ready na ang ating food para sa ating breakfast. Masarap ang ating breakfast guys at healthy pa ang ating gulay. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share. You can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.